have a great day! It's gonna be a great day! I know, I can't wait to see everyone! Teacher, I know it! Can I answer the question, please?
Did you see the game last night?
It was amazing, especially the third quarter.
I know! I can't wait for the next one.
All right, class, let's set up our picnic right under this big tree.
Hooray! Picnic time! I can't wait to get on the bus!
Me too! This is gonna be so much fun!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go...
Let's go, let's go! What a perfect day for a game of soccer! We're heading out now. See you tomorrow.
Bye!